Hello friends, today we learn non-trading accounts using bill-wise details, and we also learn here interest calculation for non-trading accounts. For all the entries recording in a systematic way in the books of accounting voucher. Non-trading accounting is used. It's other than the trading accounts like purchase and sales. We issue loan to any staff. At that time we use non-trading account. So for this purpose need arises to activate the maintain bill-wise details entirely. It will be difficult to watch a payment to an invoice where there is a large number of entries. Businesses usually wish to maintain detail of their creditors and debtors at the invoice level, and this is called bill-wise accounting. Sometimes company gives loan facility to the employee like personal loan or any type of loan like car or housing loan. At that time, company recover the loan amount by installment including interest. For identifying the remaining loan amount and total interest received amount from particular employee or staff, it is very useful to record bill-wise detail for non-trading accounting. For activating non-trading accounting, press F11 Company Features, go to Accounting Features. In that, Outstanding Management heading, maintain bill, balance bill by bill, yes, and non-trading accounts also yes. For understanding the non-trading account using interest calculation, let's see some examples here. The example is on 15th April, company issued personal loan to staff is Mr. Kiran of rupees 2 lakh with interest rate 5% per annum. For this transaction, we have to ledger a staff loan, that is Mr. Kiran, under the group loans and advances asset, and to maintain balance bill by bill to yes here. When you put the non-trading accounting also option yes in accounting features, at that time other than the creditors and debtors, the bill by bill options will be activated here. Non-trading accounting option is when you make yes, all type of ledgers, the bill by bill option is available for them. So open your tally, let's see the transaction. Maintain, press F11 key and accounting features, outstanding management, put the bill wise detail yes and non-trading also. Activate interest calculation, we make yes during the entries of charge interest on loan. So now we put only these both option is yes here, bill wise details and non-trading, and accept the accounting feature window. So we issued a payment or loan to the staff. So make the entry in the payment voucher. First change the date like 15th April. So create the ledger Mr. Kiran under the group loans and advances here. Press enter. You see here the maintain balance bill by bill option is appear here. It is appear because we put the non-trading account as here. If we put no the non-trading account, the bill by bill option is not available here. That's why if other than the creditors or debtors, we record the bill wise detail. So put the non-trading account option is yes here. And accept it. Then make the entry like put this option yes, and the credit period, for example, if we company issued loan for 1 year like 365 days, so enter the credit period, Then entry is Mr. Kiran account debit. The amount is 2 lakh is issued. Type of reference is new. And write the name here. Which type of loan you issued, like personal loan. The days of credit periods. Amount is 2 lakh. The loan is issued from HDFC Bank. So take the account HDFC ledger is here. Enter the check name. Check number is here. 321445 is issued to Mr. Kiran. And accept it. Then go to balance sheet and see here the loans and advances asset. The 2 lakh amount is showing here. Then go to accounting voucher again. The second transaction is on 15th May, company charged 1 month interest on loan. For this entry, we have to put option activate interest calculation. Yes, the 5% interest is charged here. For this entry, alter the debit note voucher type and put yes, use class for interest accounting and enter the class name like interest received. So press F11. Activate interest calculation yes and use advanced parameter is also yes and accept the accounting feature window. Then press page up key, open your loan issued entries and put the option activate interest calculation yes to Mr. Kiran and make these three options also yes. So enter the rate of interest that is 5%. All balance. We already know about the interest calculation in another session. So for detail about interest calculation topic, see my interest calculation session. So enter key and enter the due date here or enter the date here, effective date of transaction 15th April to 31st March. Date is most important here and accept. Then display statements of account, interest calculation and interest receivable is here. Enter the date 15th April and 15th May for calculating 1 month interest. So you see here the 821.92 interest is calculate for 30 days. So go to accounts info voucher type and alter the voucher type debit note. You see here accounts info voucher type, alter it debit note and enter the class name is here like interest received and yes here interest accounting and accept. So press escape key. Go to accounting voucher, press Ctrl plus F9 for debit note. When you want to charge the interest on loan, then make the entry in debit note and if you pay bill any interest, then make entries in credit note voucher type. So select the class interest received, enter the date 15th May. The interest is charged on 15th May, the transaction is here. So select the Kiran and the amount is display here automatically. Select the type of reference against personal loan, interest charge on loan. So interest received under the group indirect income. So bill by bill is no here. So charge interest on loan. The amount will be shown here, that is 2,821.90 with interest. So go to balance sheet, press Alt plus F1. You see here the interest is add on the loan amount. So press escape key. Then the last transaction is, so first see the interest, display outstanding, statements of account, interest calculation. Press F2, enter the date 15th April to 15th May. The 15 days, 30 days interest will be shown here. The rate of interest is 5. So go to accounting voucher and last see the report we already see here, statements of account, interest calculation. The last transaction is on 20th May received first installment from Mr. Kiran. The principal amount is 4,000 plus interest receivable amount. So F6 and change the date 20th May and Mr. Kiran. The amount is 4,821.92. The amount is shown here. So the Kiran is paid the amount with interest and principal amount is 4,000 by cash. So the outstanding amount or outstanding receivable amount is shown here 1,96,000 because the 4,000 is actually principal amount. So interest is not reduced from the principal amount or loan amount. So press escape, go to the balance sheet, press Alt plus F1. The amount is here 1,96,000. Thank you.